This Muslim CEO could have earned an additional $20,000 from his Instagram alone, but instead, he made two mistakes that absolutely tanked his sales. And honestly, every time I see businesses doing this, it drives me crazy, bro, because you're putting in so much effort for the right reasons, inshallah, but making these kind of stupid mistakes. So basically, last week, Yusuf submitted his Instagram and a website to me asking why his business wasn't growing. The second I opened his profile and started watching his reels, I knew exactly why and what was wrong. He's such a great guy, amazing energy. But the same mistake I see every business make online. And then people go, man, why my business is not growing? I'm doing everything. Well, bro, you are doing things the wrong way. That's why. In this video, inshallah, I'm going to break down exactly what Yusuf did wrong, what he should have done instead, and more importantly, what you need to fix right now if you're making the same mistakes. Alright, so the first problem I noticed with Yusuf's Instagram is that his content was all over the place. If I didn't spend so much time digging into his offer, I couldn't tell just by looking at his Instagram what he's even up to. Like, what problems is he solving? What does he even offer? You see, in one reel, he's talking about how tahajjud opens the door for risk. In the next reel, he switches from being a sheikh to a hustler, talking about building a business for the sake of Allah. Then suddenly, he's in full business mode, saying he made 4K last month with AI. Allahumma barik. But out of his last 6 reels, not a single one actually solved the problem his business addresses. You know what's even crazier? When I got on a call with him, Yusuf told me he got 15 sales from Instagram, which is quite impressive. But if he had done these two things right, he would have easily made $20,000 extra in online sales. So what Yusuf should have done, and you should be doing, you need to focus on creating content that positions you as the expert in your specific industry. Yusuf helps Muslims build halal businesses with AI, even though that statement alone is pretty weak. But after all, his personal brand needs to be revolved around that one thing only. And even if you want to talk about tahajjud, growth mindset, hustle, sweat, tears, 10K per month, whatever, I told him straight up, bro, this is not going to work. I don't care how passionate you are about these topics. They are not aligned with your business identity and definitely not with your personal brand. So we sat down and I told him, first, you need to be crystal clear about who you help and what you help them do. Basically, Yusuf helped Muslims build a halal business with AI. Okay, what kind of Muslims? Broke teenagers with student loans, people working 9 to 5 who are looking to make some extra bucks? Just saying Muslims is not enough. You have to dig a little deeper and know exactly who you are talking to and the exact problem you are solving for them. But it doesn't end here. Even if you had done all this in the best way possible, applying everything I shared in this video, his business would still not see exponential growth. And I will tell you why. You see, for a sale to actually convert, you need a place where people can learn more about your offer and what exactly they get once they join. Call it a landing page. The technical nerds out there. When someone clicks on your landing page, all they see at first is the top section, the headline, the subheadline, and a VSL, video sales letter. These 2 lines will literally decide whether someone buys from you or not. If they are not appealing, nobody is going to scroll down to see those fancy animations on which you spent ridiculous amount of money. And that's exactly the case with my brother Yusuf. Bro, I don't care about building a business with AI, alright? I care about results, which is making money. So freaking put some money in the headline. It could have been way better by just adding one simple word. Something like make your first 10K online with a halal AI agency, or build your first 10K AI agency in 90 days. At least now I know what I'm getting and how I'm gonna get it. And then the subheadline, man, no experience required. No need to show your face. First of all, where exactly do I need to show my face? I'm definitely not making content, right? Where I have to show my face to the world. I am building something online with AI, which probably means it's something related to automation. You just wasted that space saying something so obvious. But let's go even further. Work remotely. Buddy, I'm not studying mechatronics where I have to build robots for Japan. Yes, of course, it's going to be online. And by the way, Yusuf kept mentioning that their mobile version is really good and most visitors come from mobile. Please do me a favor. Please, all of you do me a favor and think about this. When was the last time you made a big purchase, like we're talking about in hundreds or thousands of dollars from your phone? Never, right? Because this is serious money. People make these big decisions from their laptops where they can think and calculate and it feels safe to them. And then the viewers, oh man, let's not even go there. Because my brother Yusuf, Allah Mabarak, he didn't put much effort into that video. You need to show some kind of leverage, a proper setup that tells people, okay, this guy is serious and we can expect some high quality production. But his video has background noise. The problem is even broke teenagers these days are teaching people how to make money online with setups better than my budget setup. Wallahi, it's a crazy world out there. So this definitely needs some adjustment. I told him straight up, look man, I'm not here to learn about Islam. I have YouTube for that. Get to the point. Your VSL needs exactly 4 elements. Who is it for? What do they get? Why do they need it? Why should they trust you? Now, I like the fact that he kept the landing page very minimal and simple, but it's too short of a landing page. I would suggest adding some testimonials, some reviews, which by the way, he shows later in the VSL, providing the guy is legit. But I have no idea why he didn't put them on the actual website instead of hiding them in the video. So every good landing page follows this exact framework that I'm going to show you with my landing page as a reference. First up, a big headline that clearly states the outcome, then a subheadline that supports the headline with a bit more detail. Then your VSL, then a sign up button, after that some reviews and testimonials, then show them what's inside the modules, the courses, then just flex a little at the people you have worked with, some sneak peeks of the course or whatever you are offering, pricing options, final sign up button, done. That's it, no fluff. By the way, if you have made it this far in the video, then do me a favor, go to the link in the description and sign up for yourself so that I could be critiquing your content and maybe going through your business and helping you make more sales and leads. Inshallah. Yeah, okay, that's it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.